Hey off-road enthusiasts, ever worried about those hidden rocks and rough terrain taking a chunk out of your undercarriage? Well, worry no more. Today we're unboxing the skid plate from Bimbra 4X4. Let's get this box open. First up, the main attraction, the Bimbra 4X4 skid plate itself. Look at this beauty. It feels incredibly sturdy and it'll provide ample protection for those vital undercarriage components. Next, we've got a whole pack of nuts and bolts for a secure fitment. Everything you need to get this skid plate on and protect your vehicle in no time. Bimbra 4X4 has even included a handy checklist of all the included parts, making the installation process a piece of cake. And for that extra peace of mind, we've got a warranty card right here. Of course, no Bimbra 4X4 package is complete without our awesome sticker. So there you have it, folks, the Bimbra 4X4 skid plate, a fantastic addition to any off-road rig. Stay tuned for the upcoming installation video where we'll put this beast to the test.